How to see who I have liked on Plenty of Fish dating app. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. So in today's video I will show you how you can find out whom you have liked so far on your Plenty of Fish dating app. So make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to find out a list of people whom you have liked, unlike other dating apps such as Tinder, Tantan, Bumble or so on, PoF or Plenty of Fish does offer you a way to see whom you have liked and all of the history without having to upgrade to the premium version. And in order to do that, all you have to do is first of all go ahead and launch the Plenty of Fish dating app on your device. Now once you launch the Plenty of Fish dating app, you'll be able to see a list of people. So first of all, what you want to do is, in order to find out whom you have liked, you have to come to this little middle icon right next to the heart icon which you see over here. Once you tap on this rectangle like icon, you might need to actually scroll down to the bottom until you find a section called Who I Have Liked under View All button and above the New Members section. So you can see whom you have liked. When you scroll through it, you will be able to see a list of all of the people whom you have liked on PoF. Now if you want, you can go ahead and view all of the details of that specific profile over here. And this is simply how you can find out whom you have liked on Plenty of Fish. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.